What's going on, everybody? David here. Today we're talking about how I pack when I travel. But first off, on this channel we talk about inspiring people to travel more. If that sounds like something interesting to you, please hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the little bell notification so you can get future updates on my videos. All right, so I want to talk about how I pack. And I get asked this question all the time, like, how do you pack? And I use cubes. So I use the packing cubes. That's the majority of everything, pretty much everything I want to be able to put it in a cube because it just makes things a lot easier. So let me go over to my room and I'll show you guys how I pack. Okay, so here's my luggage. This is my setup. So this is how I do it with the cubes. And this side's really not important. This is just all my other stuff, all my electronics and all that stuff that I put in the bag. But this is the most important part. So I use these packing cubes. This is the brand that I use here, so you guys can check it out if you want to go with this brand. Now, I will tell you, they have some that are good and some that are not good. This is a real nice material, so it works really well. Zippers are good, so I can, zip everything off and don't have to worry about the zippers breaking. And it does have compression, so if I want to compress it down, I can. It has a zipper that will allow you to do that, so I like that a lot. Now, another thing that I really like about this is the fact that it has this net, so I can see inside, so I can see, okay, these are my pants, and I usually pack it like this. So I have all my pants in one packing cube. I have all my underwear, t-shirts in another packing cube, and then I have all my shirts in another packing cube. So the fact that it has this little net here, I can see what's inside, so I know what's inside each packing cube. Now, another thing that I like about this one, and I highly recommend if you are getting packing cubes, you get ones that have handles. And the reason that I like this is, I say I'm in the airport and I've packed too heavy, and they say, oh, your bags is too heavy, so we're gonna have to charge you extra. I say, nope, you don't need to do that. I take out one of these and I can just carry this on the plane if I need to do that. So let's say I have a backpack already. Usually they'll allow you to have a backpack and then one personal item. So this will be my personal item. So I'll just grab this and carry it on. So you can do that. Now, another thing that I really like about having this setup is once I get to my hotel, all I need to do is grab this, put it wherever I need to put it. Let's say I put it in the drawer or what have you, and I'm unpacked. So I only have 3 things to take out, and I'm unpacked. The rest of the stuff I usually leave in my suitcase. Okay, so like I said, I have my shoes in here, and then I have some other electronics and light stands and stuff like that I use normally when I travel, so I can do videos and stuff like this. So that's all that I need. That's everything is all here set up. Okay, so one other thing I want to talk about too is I roll my clothes. So I roll them instead of fold them. It just gives me a little bit more space. And so you see there, I roll my pants here, my jeans. So I make sure that I do that. And that's how I set that up. One more thing I want to mention too, I also use somewhat of a packing cube when I pack my camera equipment. So I don't just have my camera equipment in a camera bag. I like to carry a backpack. This is an Amazon Basics travel backpack. So I like to carry this because it allows me to have 2 different bags. So if I want to take this bag out for something else, I can do that. And then I also have all my camera equipment. Let me just show you how this is set up. So this is a Vanguard case here. So it is a soft case, but it has everything that I need. All of my camera equipment is here. And I just close it up and then close this over the top of it. And then we're ready to go. And if there is a situation where, let's say I bring more back on my trip, so I have more things to bring back, well, that's fine because I can take this out. It has a handle. It's important to have handles, right? Take this out, and then I can use this as my personal item and then have all the other stuff in my backpack. All right. Now, this is it. So I just put once I have these, and the beauty of packing cubes is the fact that you can pack ahead of time. So I can pack days in advance and just have all my clothes already set, ready to go. And then when I'm ready to put them in the suitcase, just throw them in there and go. Usually I'll have a checklist, so I'll go off and I'll say, okay, I have 4 pairs of jeans and 2 pairs of regular pants, and they're already in there. So I know they're in there. I'll just check them off. And so when I'm ready to travel, I just grab these grab these packing cubes, throw them in my luggage, and then I'm ready to go. So it just makes things so much easier. And then one more thing too, when you're at the airport, there might be a situation where you need to find something in your luggage. So rather than open up your luggage and have all your clothes everywhere, you can open up your luggage and okay, all my jeans are here, all my shirts are here. So it's easy to find the things that you need. Okay, so that makes a lot of sense too when it comes down to packing cubes. So I just wanted to throw that out there to you guys. But more importantly, I want to know how you guys pack. So please post it down below. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe for more. And check out these videos over here for some more great content. All right, talk to you later. Bye.